All right, caution, read before opening. We know you're excited, but you gotta wait 24 hours. So here we are, 24 hours later. It is new guitar day, and I am excited to unbox a guitar that I have been waiting for a long time. I was able to finally move a few items to help finance this latest purchase. And although I am terrible at guitar, I feel the need to have a better axe to grind. So I will say this during my unboxing, this is from Sweetwater, and it absolutely was one of the best boxings ever. Absolutely protected. Of course, here's your typical Sweetwater thank you, and of course the candy. They always give you the candy, the sweet sticker they give you. I've probably got a half a dozen stickers in the house somewhere. But the little bag of candy, it's always something nice. My kids especially love that. I think that when I look at this, I see how well they care in packaging their product. It makes me feel comfortable when I open this that this is going to be intact and no damages. I mean, at least that's your initial hope whenever you open these new boxes. So I've got to move some stuff out of the way here, get rid of the overbox, and of course prepare to open up the actual box. And as you can tell, it's an Ibanez product. It certainly is one of my favorite guitar brands, and I'm a loyal Ibanez guy for many, many years. This is a premium line to Ibanez, and of course we know that that's the step between, I guess, the Indonesian and the Prestige line. I mean, I've had a couple of premiums over the years, and they have been outstanding guitars. So I have no worries about the quality of this guitar yet. I just got to get it in my hands and see what it feels like. So quickly unbox or quickly cut this thing open and try to get it to unleash the beast, if you know what I mean. And here we go. We've got, trying to hide it from you. Here we go. Something new in the past year or two. They no longer put those in the hard soft cases or whatever they're called. Those things were so nice, and now we've got basically a gig bag. That is the first shocker for those who have had the premium Ibanez's in the past. I know that my old RG, what was it, a 1070 I had, that it came in a nice soft hard case, if you will, and it was fantastic. This one right here, that is my first disappointment in unboxing this car, and I knew it was coming, but although I do like the Ibanez badging on it, there's something about a gig bag tells me that it's cheap. Yeah, I don't know how you feel about it, but gig bag tells me it's cheap. There we go. There is the hang tag, the JEM77P BFP. That is of course, one of my favorite guitarists and favorite guitars of all time, the JEM. Of course, we've got all the card candy here, the case candy, if you will, from Ibanez there. Here we go. I'm going to try to unwrap the whammy bar. It is one of the screw-in types, screw-in post. So I'm not a fan of those. I prefer the push-pull ones. But, beggars cannot be choosers when it comes to this stuff. I will admit that the RG550 I have has the push-pull post, and it's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. And that thing stays in tune very, very well. But here we are. Let's see, anything else in this? Yeah, there's going to be one more card in here. We've got the owner's manual. I guess, yeah. Or maintenance manual, excuse me. And then clear out the pockets, make sure nothing else in there to show off, and we're getting ready to unleash this glorious monster. And you got to appreciate the leisure wear I'm pulling out today. Got some nice casual pajamas, and I'm rocking, of course, a nice Metallica shirt, because that's what I do on my evenings. Once I get off work, I come home, shower it up, and put on some casual wear. All right, here we are. Now we're going to try to slide this out and be as careful as possible not to cause any damages, and unwrap it slowly, because that's what it's all about, the build-up. Here we go. Feast your eyes, ladies and gentlemen. I introduce you to the newest gem in my collection. I always have loved this blue floral pattern, and I would probably give anything to get the original floral pattern guitar with the actual curtains built onto the guitar, if you will. Even my cat's excited. Shadow has joined the party to see, hey, what's going on in here? I'm a fan of SteveVai as well. Let me check this out. But nope, not going to do it. Ah, yes, another Sweetwater card. And then here we are. Gravity Storm pickups, the great pickups. I've had them in multiple guitars over the years. Nothing wrong with them. They're not the Evolutions, not as much bite as the Evolution, but still a very, very good pickup. I love the matching headstock. The fretwork on this, from what I could feel immediately, was very, very nice. And my last premium guitar, the exact same thing. Fretwork was outstanding, and I never had an issue with it. I love the clear pick guard. I love how it accentuates the body paint, and that is basically it. This is my baby, and this is it. And if you guys know me, you know my initials are JEM, and there's a reason why I like the JEM, and it's just nice. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great one.